Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Yassir Walatu Assir wa Tamim Bil Hayr Rabbi Zidnil Ma. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. This is the book D3 updated 7th edition, and today we will do exercise 12b, question number 11. Let's start, students. Now, students, this is the question number 11. Enlarge the following triangle with a center of enlargement E and scale factor K as given. The scale factor and the center of enlargement is given to us, and we have to enlarge these figures. In this question there are the 5 points. Now we have to solve it all the points separately, and first we have to draw the triangle. The triangles are given to us, just A, B and C. Its center of larger enlargement and its scale factor is also given to us, and we have to make these triangle. First we have to make the triangle, then we have to solve it. Let's start, students. Now, students, in A part, the A, B and C is given to us, and the center of enlargement is a region 0, 0, and K is a scale factor. This is the point 1 and 3 along y-axis, and this is the point A. B is 2 and 5. This is 2 and 5. This one is 5. This is B. And C is 6 and 1. This is 6 and 1. And now, students, we have to match these points. This is the center of enlargement. We have to draw the lines, and we have to draw the dotted lines to define the area of our triangle, because the points of enlargement is come in that line, and these must be coincide with the A. Now, students, the point passes from that point, and then the point B prime must be come at that point, and the point A prime must be come at that point. That's why we draw these lines. We draw these lines for the image of our triangle. That's our image of the triangle must be come in these lines. Now this is A, B and C, and we have to make the image A prime, B prime and C prime. The A is 1 and 3, the region is 0, 0. That's why we have to multiply it by 2, because the scale factor is 2. 1 multiplied by 2 we get 2, and 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6. It means this is the A prime, 2 and 6. This point is A prime. Now let's see B prime. For B prime, we have to multiply the coordinate of B with the 2. The coordinate of B is 2 and 5, and we get 4 and 10. And this is 4 and 10. Now students, this is the point 4 and 10. This is the point 4 and 10, and this is the B prime. And for C prime is now students, the C prime is 12 and 2, and this is the 12 and 2. This is the C prime. Now we have to join this point A with A prime with A prime. And now students, this is the image of this triangle, and we have to draw in this question, and this question number 11 part A is solved. Now students, the part number B. First we have to draw the triangle. Triangle is P, Q and R, and E is the center of enlargement. P is 1 and 4. This is 1 and 4. This is the point P, and Q is 4 and 1. 4 and 1. This is the point Q, and R is 5 and 6. This is 5 and 6. This is the point R. Now we have to join these points to make the triangle first. Now students, the center of enlargement is 1 and 2. This is the 1 and 2. This is the E, the center of enlargement, which is 1 and 2. Now we have to make the diagram, make the enlargement with respect to this center of enlargement. First we have to observe that the point P is 2 units away from center of enlargement, and we have to multiply the point 2 with the minus 2, and we get minus 4. It means we have to move 4 points backward to get the point P prime, and it is 0 on x-axis. That's why there is not any x value. The point must be in that line. First we have to pass all the points from that line, from the center of enlargement. We get the idea where our point must be lies. And this is for point Q. The point P lies there, and it is we have to move 4 point away from 1, 2, 3 and 4. It comes there's P prime. Now for Q is along x-axis is 1, 2 and 3, 3 units away, and y-axis is 1 unit away. We multiply the 3 by 6. We multiply the 3 by minus 2, we get the minus 6, and minus 6 we have to move minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the minus 6 point, and along y-axis this is the 1, and 1 multiplied by 2 minus 2, we get the minus 2 multiplied by this point is also in minus backward. Minus 1 is multiplied by minus 2, we get the positive 2, and this point lies there. Now since this point is lies there, and this is the Q prime on that line, and now for R, this from the center of enlargement the distance is 1, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4. Along x-axis this is away from point 4, and point 4 is multiplied by 2, we get 8. And now we have to move 8 point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This comes there, and along y-axis this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 multiplied by minus 2 we get minus 8. Now we have to move minus 8 downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These points come there, and this is the R prime. Now we have to join these points. Now students, this is the R prime. Now we have to join this point P with R, P prime with R prime, and R prime with Q prime, and Q prime with P prime. And now students, this is the enlargement of this figure by scale factor 2, and the center of enlargement is 1 and 2. and B part is solved. Now students, part number C, in which x, y and z is given to us and center of enlargement is E11 and scale factor is 3. We have to understand it that the point x and the E is same. It means that there is a one invariant point in this triangle, in this enlargement. The A invariant point is that which can't be changed. Now let's start. First we have to make the triangle. X is 1 and 1. This is 1 and 1. This is X and also E, the center of enlargement. Now students, the point X and E same. Now we have to draw the point 2 and 3, Y, point Y which is 2 and 3. This is 2 and x-axis, and on y-axis this is 3. This is the point Y. Now Z is 4 and 2. This is 4 and this is 2. Now we join this point and make a triangle. Now students, the scale factor is given to us is 3 and the axis is same in both triangle because we have to plot the point y, and the point y is 1 unit away from x-axis and 2 unit away from y-axis from the center of enlargement. The scale factor is 3. We have to multiply the 1 by 3. We get 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now we have the point 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We get the y prime there. This is the y prime. Now students, see z a prime we have now plotted. This is 1, 2 and 3. 3 points away from x-axis. We multiply by it 3. We get 9. This is 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And 1 point, and we have to multiply 1 by 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is z prime. Now we join this point. We can see that these points come in the same line. And now students, this is the image of the triangle x, y and z is x prime. You can also say that point is x prime also. This is x prime, y prime and z prime. Yeah, x, y prime and z. And this triangle is the enlargement of the triangle x, y and z. And now students, the part number C is solved. Now students, the part number D, J, H and K. Now we have to first plot this uh, triangle, and this is the center of enlargement is 8 and 4 and scale factor is half. 1 by 2 means half. Now first we have to plot the triangle. We have to draw the triangle. J is 4 and 4. This is J, 4 and 4. This is point J. And now point H. H is 6 and 7. This is 6 and this is 7. This is 7. And K is 3 and 9. This is 3 and this is 9. These are the points of a triangle. Now we have to join this triangle. Now so this is a triangle. Now we have to mark the center of enlargement. This is the 8 and 4. This is 8 along x-axis and 4 along y-axis. Now students, this is the center of enlargement E, which is 8 and 4. First we have to pass the point from this point center of enlargement, this one, this. Now students, we have first plot the point J prime. This is 1, 2 and 3, 4. Students, this point is 2.4 points away from the center of enlargement, 4 units away from the center of enlargement. Now we have to divide it by half, by 2, and we get the J dot there. We get 2 and J dot is there. J prime is 1 and 2. This is the J prime. Now students, we have to plot the point H prime, and H is 2 point along x-axis, and the center of enlargement is 2. We divide 2 by 2, we get 1, and this must be there in that line. And the 3, the along y-axis the distance is 3. 3 divided by 2, we get 1.5, 1.5, and this is 1 and this is half. H prime is there. This is the H prime point. Now we have to plot the point K prime. K is along x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5.5 divided by 2, we get 2.5. We get 2.5 and this is 2.5 along x-axis 1, 2 and 5. This is 2.5 point there. This is 1, 2 and half and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and half. And the K prime is there. This is the K prime. And now students, we have to match these points. This is the image of the triangle JKH, and the scale factor is half. And now students, the D part is solved. Now students, the E part is given to us and the triangle is LM, and L is 4 and 1. This is L. M is 4 and 3, 4. And this one is 3. And N is 1 and 3. N is 1 and 3. This is the triangle. Now we have to join these points and make our triangle first. The center of enlargement is 1 and 0. This is the center of enlargement. This is the E, and this is the center of enlargement 1 and 0. This point is, now we have to move the point from that point. Now students, we have to first draw the point n prime, and the scale factor is -3. The n is a 3 point along y-axis is away. Now we have to multiply 3 by 3, we get -9. Now we have to move 9 points away from the center of enlargement, and we have to move downward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This n prime comes there. Now students, there, this is the n prime. Now we have to draw the point L prime, and this is the 3 units away from the center of enlargement. We have to multiply by 3, we get -9, and this is we have to move from there 9 points away from the center of enlargement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and the point is come there. And we have to also observe that the point L is 1 unit away from the along y-axis, 1 unit away, and 1 multiplied by -3, we get -3, and this will come there 1, 2 and 3. Prime is come there. This is the point, L prime. Now we have to draw the point M prime, and this is 3 units along y-axis and 3 along x-axis. And this become minus 9 there, and minus 9 there. It's come there. And this point is, we have to extend this line, and this point come there. This is the minus M prime. Now we have to join these points. And now students, the image of the LM and N is L, M and N prime, and the question number 11 is solved. It has 5 parts, and only we have to draw the images in this question, and this question is done. I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.